CMACEWHEEL XR20 electric bike. Powerful lithium battery. 48V lithium battery supports long riding. Removable power supply makes you charge it on or off the bike easily. Equipped with smart lithium battery charger, fast charging only need 4 to 8 hours. 3 working modes. The electric mountain bike has 3 working modes: full electric mode, KS mode, and human riding mode. You can enjoy a long time trip with any mode according to your needs. Combining 3 modes would be a better choice. Intelligent LCD display. There are 2 types of displays. It is random. The display can record your driving status more intuitively, such as current speed, KS level, trip distance, battery level, and so on. Excellent accessories. 7-speed transmission system is more durable. Front suspension fork, rear shock absorber, offers smooth cushioning and shock absorption when cycling on rugged mountain road, enjoying the stimulate during your ride. Bright headlight ensure a good view at night. CMACEWHEEL RX20 has 3 riding modes as our other fat tire electric bikes. They are electric, pedal-assisted, and ordinary models. This Foldable is a 5-gear PAS. Different modes can be selected according to the needs. Different electric assist levels are used in combination with mechanical gears to maintain stability. Step and deal with various terrains, extend battery life and run farther. You can get enough riding exercise and enjoy a pleasant riding experience. 750W powerful brushless motor. What's the most important for an electric bicycle? Its motor. Firstly, the 48V 750W brushless motor for RX20 has high performance, low noise, and low consumption. It is perfectly combined with the controller to reduce friction and make the electric bicycle run more smoothly and keep working more efficiently. Also, allow you to enjoy a smoother and more efficient trip during riding, becoming your indispensable partner. Front and rear shock absorber. RX20 has front and rear shock absorbers. It improves the bike's traction, control, and rider comfort, and are the best choice for ultimate performance. To help you ensure that your tires stay in contact with the ground when riding on the rugged ground and bumps. When long distances riding, it will improve traction instead of rebounding from bumps and losing grip, reducing the risk of making mistakes on rough terrain. When you hit the roots and rocks at high speed, the full suspension electric bicycle will also significantly weaken the force through the pedals and handlebars. Smoother riding will undoubtedly help improve comfort and avoid fatigue during long-distance riding and competitions. So, front and rear double shock absorption is a great tool to improve the comfort of electric bicycles. Invisible 15/17Ah removable battery. The simple design and compact size of the battery make the RX20 version 2022 beautiful and generous. The 15Ah/17Ah concealed replaceable lithium battery is installed in the bicycle tube without protruding and weighs only 2.4 kilograms. It is one of the lightest battery packs on the market and is easy to install and disassemble. The battery adopts high-tech lithium battery technology, waterproof design, long cycle life, small size, and lightweight. Convenient transportation and safe use. You can travel this folding a bike more than 40 km. Depends on load weight and road, on a single charge. CMACEWHEEL XR20 electric bike.